Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your not so good interior stereo speakers in your travel trailer. Stay tuned! Today we're going to replace the interior stereo speakers in a 2022 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 MLE. As a lot of you will know, the stereo speakers they put in these trailers are crappy. They sound terrible. So I did a little investigating and found some speakers that are pretty close in dimension to the ones that are in there already. They're 6.5-inch speakers, the ones that are in here. I'm sure they're not the best quality, but we're going to take them apart and see what we can find out. The speakers I have to replace the ones in here, the Kicker brand speakers. I've heard good reviews on those. The ones I have here are the CSC 65s, and I'm going to open the box and we'll see what's inside. What comes in the box are two speakers, two little wire speaker connector kits, and some butt splice connectors. So that looks like it's going to be pretty simple. Let's get to taking out the old speakers. Before I do that, I'll show you the speakers that are in the travel trailer as they're mounted in the ceiling. And there's one of them here. There's only two. One here, and then over just a little ways, there's the other one. So we're going to pop the covers off of these. Okay, what I've got is a tool with a little bend on the end of it. And I think if I stick it up underneath the speaker, whoa, that's how you pop it off. There's the speaker. Down here is the cover. So that's how you get those off. Basically, there's several screws that you can't see because it's so dark in here. But we'll take those out. And there's the speaker. Yeah, these speakers here are like a paper cone and a paper tweeter. They're not much. Okay, I got the old speakers out, and I was going to show you kind of a comparison between the two, the new ones and the old ones. Yeah, the old ones are totally paper. Made in China. That's the model of the old speaker. Not a whole lot. The new ones are much heavier, much nicer. And they're not paper, thank goodness. And also the magnet on these is way nicer, way bigger than the old one. So, but the one reason I picked these Kicker speakers is because they're almost the same mounting depth. There's not much difference in mounting depth, and I was trying to keep them about the same. So I think that's going to work out really good. Okay, I'm ready to put on the wire kits, and then we'll get these things mounted and see how they sound. One thing I didn't mention is I think the reason they send you the wire kits is because the new speakers have connectors that are different sizes. If you can see them real close, one of them is much smaller than the other one is. On these old speakers, the connectors are the same size. So you can use the old connector, but they don't fit very tight. So I'm going to cut them off and put the new connectors on. Okay, I'm going to hook the speaker up to the wires. Pretty simple process. Okay guys, that is the installation of one of the speakers. I asked my wife if I needed to make them white, but she said the black speakers in here would be fine. Just the old ones had white covers, but I noticed that the TV is a darker color and the other stuff's darker colors, so she said it'll be fine that way. So there's one. Now we're going to go over and do the other one, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Okay guys, I did put a CD in, and speakers sound really good. I don't think YouTube will get me for a copyright infringement because it's my own music. I sang Southern gospel music, and yeah, they sound really good. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and as always, have fun camping. We'll talk to you later. Bye.